Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be having a very quick look at this. This is the eTeknix toolkit. Now eTeknix, if you didn't know, is a UK based YouTuber and also a reviews website. They're really good, check them out. And he's launched his own little PC toolkit. Okay, so let's get it out this sleeve and let's have a look. Okay, so just before I get this open, I'll just say that eTeknix haven't sent me this for free or anything. This is something I have bought with my own money. I'm not affiliated with eTeknix in any way. I do like their content, really good reviews, very good stuff. And make sure you pop along to their website or to their YouTube channel and check them out. So let's have a look at their little toolkit that they've launched. So I was watching one of their streams and Andy at eTeknix announced it, and he showed the sample that he got. I thought it looked pretty decent, and I was looking for a new toolkit anyway. I was going to go with an iFixit or something like that. But this cost me about £20 plus delivery, about 25 altogether. So let's have a look and see what it's like. So taking off the sleeve, it's a bit tight. So we can see there we've got the eTeknix logo debossed into it. Now, in the top there you can see that the hanger from inside the sleeve has actually left a couple of indents in there. But other than that, it's a really nice package, really nicely presented. And it's got this nice little zip going round. And then we can open it up and see what we've got inside. So first of all, let's have a look at the paperwork. So this is a little piece of, thank you for choosing eTeknix, no problem, you can add that. So that obviously just shows you what's in there. So let's have a look at that. So let's start with the main part itself, which is the screwdriver. Right, so looking at the screwdriver, it's really well made. It's one of those where you can turn it. It's not a ratchet screwdriver, it's just a twist and turn. But you can hold onto that end piece and it does feel really good in the hands. Got a grippy piece there. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so now apparently you can extend this by pulling down on this piece, and then you can see there that will come, it actually comes straight out, but you can extend it to there and it locks into position, so you can extend the length on it. That's pretty cool. And then this end piece, obviously the screwdriver heads come out and are replaceable, and you get more inside there. So let's have a look at those. So you get two sets, one with some T15 and T20, I think those are, and then you get some hex bolts as well. And then in this one you've got the two flatheads on top of the Phillips head 2. You've got a PH00, a PH0 and a PH1. And then you get the motherboard standoff extraction tool, which is really handy. Okay, so also in here is quite a large Allen key. Now I believe that is for water cooling fittings. Now water cooling loops is not something I've done as yet. It is something I want to have a look at in the future, so hopefully that will come in handy for that. I'm sure I'll find a use for it anyway. And last but not least, we have the flexible extension. Now this just goes straight into here. Just move it back a bit, and you can see there, as you turn it, it's going to turn the screw, so you know it's hard to reach areas. You'll be able to still use a screwdriver. Now this is the one thing that actually sold this to me, is this flexible extension. I think that is absolutely fantastic idea. Now the quality of all the bits and everything is looking really good. Obviously I've not tested them out yet, so I can't say for sure, but on the first impression these do look really well made. You do get some bits in sets like these that are really soft on the tip. These do look quite good actually, quite solid. So I'll put down in the comments below once I've had a good test of this. Obviously this is just my first impressions of it, and first impressions are really good. I think the screwdriver is really good quality. The extension is just what sold it to me really. It's fantastic, and the case that it all comes in makes it a really neat package, and it does smell like a new car smell as well, which is always pleasant. So I'll leave links in the description below to the eTeknix YouTube channel and to the eTeknix website as well, so you can check them out for yourself. And I know Andy's just moved into a new studio and that's looking absolutely fantastic, so good luck to him. So give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, you'll be told every time I upload a new video. Speaking of new videos, why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.